But tonight, you are all forgiven.
And the Oscar goes to Young.
Mr. Brad Pitt, finally, nice to meet you. Where were you while we were filming in Tulsa? It's very honored to meet you. As you know, I'm from Korea, and actually my name is Young, and most of European people call me Young, and some of them call me Yujong. But tonight, you are all forgiven. And I would usually, when I'm living in the other part of the world, I just watch the television. It is an Oscar event on the television, just watching like a television program for us. But me being here by myself, I cannot believe I'm here. Well, that's okay. Let me pull myself together. Okay. Thank you for the tremendous thanks to the Academy members who vote for me. And next speech, okay, they usually say, okay, thank you for the wonderful Minari family. Stephen, Isaac, Yeri, and Noel, Allen. We became a family. And most of all, above all, Lee Isaac Chung. Without him, I couldn't be here tonight. He was our captain and my director. So thanks to you, tremendous thanks to you. And I'd like to thank to, I don't believe in competition. How can I win over Glenn Close? I've been watching her so many performances. So this is just all the nominees, 5 nominees. We are the winner for the different movie, we play the different role. So we cannot compete each other. Tonight I'm here is just, I have just a little bit luck, I think. Maybe I'm luckier than you. And also maybe it's American hospitality for the Korean actor. I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you so much. And I'd like to thank to my 2 boys who made me go out and work. So, beloved son, all and Noel, this is the result because mommy worked so hard. And I'd like to dedicate this award for my first director, Kim Gi-young, who was very genius director. I made a movie together with him, first movie. I think he would be very happy if he's still alive. Thank you very much. Tremendous thank you for everybody. Thank you. Am I saying right? I'm not.
Nothing says Oscars like Halle Berry, except maybe Halle Berry giving out 2 Oscars. That's coming up next. It's the Oscars on ABC.